Why does your trusty Lexmark suddenly stop printing black ink? You're not alone. It happens more than you think. Here's how to get your documents looking sharp again. First, check if your black ink cartridge has plenty of ink. Sometimes, the problem is as simple as an empty or low cartridge. If it's low, replace it with a new one. Next, make sure the cartridge is installed correctly. Power off your printer, open the cover, and gently push the cartridge into place until it clicks. Close the cover and turn the printer back on. Still not printing? Try running a cleaning cycle from your printer's menu. This helps clear clogged nozzles, which is a common cause of black ink problems. If you still see no black ink, take out the cartridge and gently wipe the copper contacts with a lint-free cloth. Sometimes, a little dirt or dried ink can block the connection. Finally, double-check your print settings on your computer. Make sure black and white or grayscale mode is selected and you're not set to color only. If none of these steps solve it, your cartridge or printhead might need replacing. Check your printer manual for details or contact Lexmark support for more help. With these steps, you'll be back to crisp, clear prints in no time. Good luck.